Paul Stewart's out there in the Chevy SS, done up like a Holden with Holden badges. Brian Steeler in the one LE, and Adam Taylor. Paul Stewart in the Chevy SS, 67.017. Paul Stewart. Brian Taylor comes across the line with 53.884, jumping up to the top of KMC at the moment. Unfortunately, there's a lot of KMC that still needs to be run, so I'm not sure if that 53 is going to hold for too much longer, but we shall see. With a 60.794 for Jason Ledbetter, 129 STR Miata. And here comes the first of the XA cars in a Evo 10, a big old wing on the back of it with a 49.592 for Andrew Shevchenko. It is a +1, however. There was a cone that he picked up while he was out there. There was a screaming fast time of a 49.5. If he can clean up that 49, he's going to have the fastest raw time of the day, because currently the fastest raw time is held by Tom DeYoung with a 50.004.
Am I able to walk in there as well?
Yeah, just don't, see how where the cars are
Subaru.
crossing.
Yes.
Just be wary of that.
With a
Yes.
59.390 is Tyler Hickenberger. 59.309. Did pick up while he was out there, however. Got another XA Subaru driven by Casey Morgan out there on course at the moment. About to cross the finish line, going through those final slaloms. Streaming across the line with a 54.018, 54018 with 0 cones. So it's a nice clean run. Good place to start off the heat for Casey. Tim McMillan in that 2017 Fiat Sublime Green 69 D-Mod Ladies with a 60.263 for Kim McMillan. Following up, Kim is Blake Davis in the 2013 BMW, driving an XA. Comes across the line with a 58.067, 58.067. Did pick up a cone while he was out there. Unfortunately, putting him at 3rd place at the moment. Gonna have to clean up those cones if he wants to catch up to Casey. Got a CA Corvette coming through the final slot.
Okay.
For the 66.007. BMW i3 is a starting cannon. Bring it off the line, Samway will pick up 2 cones. Only picked up 2 cones this time for the fourth picked up last time. Let's cross line of 52.454. 52.454 was good.